Hi, in this lecture we will discuss some useful and interesting properties of GCDs. First we look at the theorem. Let GCD of A comma B be D. Then the first result is GCD of A by D comma B by D is equal to 1, and the second result is GCD of A comma A minus B is equal to D. So first we prove the first result. We have to prove that GCD of A by D, B by D is equal to 1. For that, let us assume that GCD of A by D, B by D, let it be equal to some D dash. Then we need to prove that D dash is equal to 1. Okay, so we need to show that D dash is equal to 1. We know that D dash is the GCD of A by D and B by D. So A by D is equal to, that means D dash is the GCD of common factor of A by D and B by D. So A by D is equal to D dash into some number, let it be some L, and B by D also is equal to D dash into some M. A equal to D dash into L, and B is equal to D dash into M. So this implies that D dash is a common factor of both A and B. So D dash is a common factor of both A and B, and we know that GCD of A comma B is equal to D, and D is the GCD, means it is the greatest common factor. So by definition of D, we can say that D dash is D is the greatest one, so D dash is less than or equal to D, or therefore D dash is less than or equal to 1. And now what is D dash? D dash is the GCD of A by D comma B by D. So D dash is less than or equal to 1 means since D dash is the GCD of A by D, B by D, we have D dash is equal to less than or equal to 1 means D dash is a positive integer. Therefore D dash is equal to 1. Therefore we have proved the first result. GCD of A by D comma B by D is equal to 1. Now we prove the second one. For the second one, what we have to prove? GCD of A comma A minus B is equal to, we have to prove that this is same as GCD of A comma B equal to D. So for that, let us assume that GCD of A comma A minus B is equal to D dash. So to show that, or we need to show that this D dash is equal to D. For this we will prove that the two inequalities, D dash is less than or equal to D and D is less than or equal to D dash. Okay, now first we show that D is less than or equal to D dash. We know that D is a common divisor of A and B. The GCD of AB equal to 1. GCD of A comma B equal to D implies D is a common divisor A and B. Therefore we can write A as some M into D and B is equal to some N into D. Okay. Then subtract A and B. A minus B we can write it as M minus N into D. So what this means is that D is a D is a factor of A minus B. So this implies D is a factor of D is a factor of or divisor of A minus B, or D divides A minus B, and we know D divides A. So D divides A and so D divides A and sorry D divides A minus B. Then by the property of divisibility we can say that D is a common factor of A and A minus B. So D is a common factor of A and A minus B. And what is GCD of A and A minus B? D dash. So we can say that D is less than or equal to D dash. So we have got one inequality. Now we need to show that D dash is less than or equal to D. D dash less than or equal to D. So for that D dash is equal to GCD of A comma A minus B, implies D dash is a common factor of A and A minus B. Therefore A is equal to some constant, some K1 into D dash, and A minus B is equal to some K2 into D dash for some integers K1 and K2. Now A minus A minus B. What is A minus A minus B? A minus A minus B will is equal to K1 minus K2 into D dash. So B is equal to, we get it as K1 minus K2 into D dash. So D dash is a factor of B also. Therefore D dash divides B. Hence combining that two, that is D dash divides A and D dash divides B. So this implies D dash is a common divisor of D dash is a common divisor of A and B. But GCD of A and B is equal to D. So D is the greatest divisor. So D dash is less than or equal to D. So thus we obtained the two inequalities. One is D less than or equal to D dash, and the second one is D dash is less than or equal to D. So combining 1 and 2, we have D is equal to D dash. That is GCD of A comma A minus B is equal to GCD of A comma B is equal to D. So we have obtained two results. If there is a common divisor, if GCD of A comma B is equal to D, then the GCD of the two numbers obtained by dividing by the common factor is 1, or then the two numbers will be relatively prime. And one more thing, we have proved that GCD of A comma A minus B is equal to GCD of A comma B. And similarly we can prove that GCD of A comma A plus B is also equal to D. So you can prove this as an exercise. Okay, Let's stop here. Thank you.